do you want to listen? Do you want to listen again to my story? It's about the camouflage and the T-Rex again because it did not record. Now, once upon a time, there was a T-Rex. Now, this is a camouflage, and the camouflage, he knows the T-Rex, and they were sleeping. Then, when they sleep, he was playing, and they play together. And they speak. Chuck, 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 chuck. Of course, you know that. Not a check. Of course, not check. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, we say that already. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, I'm sorry. One the ding was singing, ding, come. And they was eating lunch. Come, are eating people while the lunch. And they love each other, and they always love each other. And they are trying to practice with their head. My head's very children. Of course, mine. Who's strong enough? If someone gets squished, they are not strong, so they lose. Okay. Oh, we're both. Whoa, we both lose. Yeah. Hot. They hit together, and they play together, and they sneak together. Ball. And they are practicing together. And they are fighting with their heads. And they are laughing while they're fighting. Ha. And they say sorry, really funny. And they're playing. Okay, now that ends on the stories, this one and this. So that's the end of the story. Now I'll tell you the real one. Okay, once upon a time there was a T-Rex. Now this is a camouflage. He was a grown up now, and they meet together and they're playing. Now they are sleeping while jumping, and this is the other story, and it was a real story. In the first time, it was not a real story. So this is the real story. Now they are playing, and they were standing, and I was afraid and they was afraid if what so they could. And they're playing, only playing today. Playing. Wow, I can see my stuff there. And playing, only playing. And they were sleeping, always sleeping. Always sleeping, always sleeping. And they was chomping, chomp, That's why it was like that. Okay, let's play. Come. Oh, gimme, go, come. King, kung, kin, to, kim. And I was singing la 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 la. And they sound like I liking that. That sounded like liking that. It was a wolf. And they sound like this. Ow! 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 And they are playing together, and they don't sound like camouflage and T-Rex. So they are liking dogs. And they're pretending. Now they are camouflage and T-Rex, and they are sleeping for a while. Then they are playing, and that's the ending one. The end. Bye bye. Subscribe to my channel.